So we've had the very active chair for a couple of months, and we're actually feeling stronger in our course. I wanted to just upgrade and get the desk. This is really cool. They give you everything you need, and it's got 2 motors in it, actually, and they give you some extra perks. They actually give you a coaster and some nice wire clips for underneath the desk. It's just a bonus they threw in for free. The manual's super easy to read, and everything is labeled properly. Did you ever get those manuals where they use M1, but they don't tell you what M1 is, and you have to measure it? Everything kind of clicks in place, and then you screw some of the stuff in. This one just clicks underneath there, no adjustment necessary. You plug everything in, and you're up and running. Now you're going to need 2 people to lift this thing. It is very, very heavy. It comes in 2 separate boxes. But look at this thing. It goes all the way up to like 50-some, I think it's inches. It's ridiculous. I mean, you'd have to be like 8 feet 2 to be able to use a table at this height. But it's kind of nice because you can install things and manage your cables underneath without having to get on the floor and do it that way. It's very, very quiet. The motor is very smooth, and I've got nothing but great things to say. I love this desk. It's my favorite desk in the world.